Come here. You're in trouble.
What?
Come here. You need to make my bed.
Okay.
Go outside. Make the other side. Go to the other side. Make the other side.
Are these all the outfits you're gonna pick out? You got me for it. Yeah. Wait. The zebra birds. What?
My client gave it to you.
Zebra birds? Yeah, they're called zebra birds.
Do you want them?
Yeah.
My clients gave it to you.
There's the one that we met. What are you gonna name them?
My client gave that to Malisha.
Really?
Because they're moving out of state.
Oh, and they don't want, and they can't take care of those birds.
They cannot take them with them.
Malisha, woo!
But Malisha don't want it. Claire could take it.
No. Malisha, what are you gonna name the yellow or orange? Claire, every morning you're gonna hear.
The yellow know how to sing. The yellow one know how to sing.
Really?
Mhm.
Yeah, I heard the yellow.